Okay, today morning we will discuss about wellness.
Okay.
You are 45 and the other friend is 55 and I am 65. So there is a good combination. So we will start with the youngest energetic guy.
Okay.
What is your advice to your younger brothers, your buddies?
Actually, this younger generation, they don't have inner motivation. You know, they have a desire. They know all information is available. They are very.
They know everything.
They know everything. They know everything. No need to talk to them. Don't need advice because they don't like advice also. But only thing is, they are not coming out and then practicing the life skills. This is very important. For example, if there is a water scarcity, if it's a fire, if there is an emergency situation, how they handle the situation, they don't know. They are not familiar with the practical knowledge. That is a one.
Okay, about wellness, about health and wellness.
Health and wellness. If you ask me, actually,
Let us divide it into three. Number one, what they have to take care now.
Because the health and wellness, if you ask me, these younger generations are addicted to smartphones and gadgets. They don't have proper sleep. That's a problem. So whenever the morning,
Their attention is diverted.
Okay. They actually, if you ask me, only 20% of the people only looking at the enjoying the early morning, the weather, what we are now enjoying the sunlight.
What we are enjoying now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they are actually this time they are all late night
See the
sleeping.
birds. See the birds.
Yeah. See,
I'm
look at
getting
the
a
birds.
positive energy from them. Free.
Amazing.
Free of cost. Okay.
So that
now
is-
second.
Second, what I'm saying, they need to have proper rest, and there are legions of
That is connected with the first one.
negativity in their mind. Is telling them not to get up. It is cold outside. It is a winter season. There are so many excuses the mind throws.
Number three.
Number three, they have to make a conscious effort to come out of their shell and then work out
Physical activity.
and they have to have a target. Every day they need to have some goals, physical target.
And the intake.
Intake also. It's very important.
Okay. Thank you, Jairaj. And now our 55-year-old youngster. Welcome to our group. First of all, okay. What is your advice to people in Jairaj's age or below 55?
See, now the main thing is the food and our
Our
mentality
intake.
and physical activity. Two
Okay,
things.
three things: food, our
Physical activity,
physical
and
activity,
thinking.
and thinking.
Yeah.
Thinking means this social
Yeah,
media and
social
all. How much
media,
time you are
okay,
spending?
yeah, that's
Okay.
correct. Okay, I can say that. Yeah, the food means you have to go with the nature. See, for example, I tell you, any animals or any birds, do they have their organ failure like a human?
Yeah. Yes.
I don't think. They are.
This I read recently. Means in 2 days time I read the same thing article.
See, the
should go in
main
the
reason.
nature.
See, the main reason is in our food habit. We ourselves, went to the into the ditch. I can say.
Yeah, yeah.
See, for example, a small example I tell you, the salt. I'm reading some articles. For example, the Tata company.
Okay.
1970s, they 80s I think. In India, they lobby the government with huge money to the government,
Okay.
and they brought the iodized salt.
Iodized salt. Yeah.
And it is
Kallupu has
Kallup.
gone.
Now it is
It is not in the
creating
market.
It's creating the trouble for many people. There are
Oh
so
my
many
goodness.
experiments. Due to that,
The Kallup and iodized
that,
salt.
the iodized salt, people are getting severe headache very often. Then number two, they are what is that? Infertility problem for the women, and thyroid issues. It varies. So many problems. Also that salt, iodized salt, they are using the chemicals like the waste of this one. What is that? Oil. The petroleum product.
Yeah,
also
yes,
they
yes.
mixed. And
the cooking oil.
yeah.
They are converting it into.
No. Salt. They are mixing that
Okay.
petroleum product.
Okay.
The waste.
Okay.
Waste. And then they are what they are doing, another problem. They are boiling this salt to 1200-degree temperature. For coloring, they are adding the chemical. They want to very white. Our our human nature tendency is everything has to be attractive.
Has to be attractive.
Then not to touch each one to other particles, so they are adding the chemical for that. So many things are added up,
So
and
it
they
won't
are-
be sticky.
and earlier I remember I purchased the salt for 1 kg for 2 paise,
Yeah.
1 kallupu. Now it is more than 15 rupees. So how many times increase? So this is a way, you know, the Tata spoil.
Business.
I will blame the Tata family. They spoil the whole country.
They started.
Actually, as per the, you know, the study also, what they're saying, you know, in India, only 2 to 3% people has a iodine deficiency who are living, you know, this belt, Himalayan, that belt.
Only they have.
Yeah, but what happened, you know, other places, you know, we are taking the food, vegetable, that everything has, you know, some part of required iodine. I think per day, 1% required. I
Raj, we
think,
got a specialist today.
yeah, 1000 micro gram something required. So we have whatever the food we are eating, other than the Himalayan area, there is. But now, but I am myself, I tell you, I bring from, you know, India that Himalayan salt. Whenever I come, you know,
Really?
yeah, I use that. I never used here the other salt, you know.
Okay.
But
Amazing.
I mean, yeah, this Kallupu or this Himalayan salt is what I am using. I myself is a very victim.
Okay,
of
now
the
about the physical activity. This is the
Yeah.
food part is not completed, but still let us continue it another day about that. Now the physical activity. What is your schedule now or your routine about physical activity?
Physical activity most of the time, you know, almost every day I do yoga from 6 morning 6 to 6.
And you are in a group.
Yeah, I'm in the yoga Salme yoga group.
Uh-huh.
Then after that I make a minimum 3 rounds.
And you
about
have
3-4
a
kilometers.
laughing club.
Okay,
You laugh for some time.
Yeah, after the, you know, yoga.
This I watch
always-
from a distance.
So this
Okay.
is the one. Then every day walking and, you know, something laughing. So our mind gets free.
And you speak together. You speak a lot. You laugh a lot.
Yeah, yes,
You
that
interact
time
a
itself,
lot.
yes. Actually, you know, this yoga, I tell you, it's one of the best yoga, I can say that. Right from the top to bottom, each and every part of our, you know, body gets movement. Like, you know, right from the finger, you know, the ear, the eyes, everything, you know, the legs, finger, everything, you know, getting.
This we are trying to incorporate not through yoga, through our exercise.
Okay, but you know, this is a very system.
Yeah, I know, yoga is-
we are getting
Okay.
breathing.
more time.
Okay, what I'm suggesting, let him take us through the journey. No? What is the process involved? How you start and then take us through the journey.
No, now
step by step.
Jairaj, one thing. Now let him brief the third one also.
The third one.
Then we will take one by one in detail.
Okay.
The third one is about the way of thinking.
Okay, think always positive.
Always
Yeah,
positive.
Yes. Yeah, actually, I believe in God. See, God will provide whatever required. That's what I believe. But of course, there are some trial and tribulation.
Don't think too much.
Too much, correct? Yes.
Okay.
No, like, you know, for animals and birds and all, just see that they don't have any house or anything, but God is providing that way.
Like we have a saying in Bible, ആകാശത്തിലെ പറവകളെ നോക്കുവിൻ.
Yeah, this is
വിതയ്ക്കുന്നില്ല, കൊയ്യുന്നില്ല,
കൊയ്യുന്നില്ല,
കൂട്ടിവെക്കുന്നില്ല.
so they are provided by God. That's
Very good.
I believe.
Very good.
Yes.
I think
And you now.
we got an expert. We got a consultant. We got a consultant now. We will get hold of him.
Okay, now
Thank you.
your turn. 65.
Oh, 65.
Also, I also want to tell you, now I am 55.
Uh,
I did not put any color for my hair.
Oh, very good. Very good.
Yeah, because, you know,
Maybe-
I apply coconut oil right from. So it's
And
amazing.
also, he got thick hair.
Thick hair.
Compared to us.
No.
See, 45 man. Very few.
It's a Chennai water.
Taklu.
Chennai water. Water, you know, and also chemicals, shampoo, all conditioner.
Oh.
Actually, I never use the shampoo, chemical shampoo. I always use the, you know, the herbal. Even the paste also. I never last
He-
15, 12 years. I never touch Colgate or close-up or anything. Always.
He's a
No.
textbook.
No, see,
Have to
always, no, I always use the, you know, either herbal powder or the dabur or something, because, you know, it has got no chemical. What happened, I tell you, when you use the Colgate or anything, it has got that, what is that?
Chemical.
Chemicals, and particular chemical, I forgot. Fluoride or something.
Fluoride.
That is very much bad to the health. you
Really?
know.
Oh.
Every day, you know, I think, you know, in science we must have learned the capillary effect. Every day, you know, one small, you know, milligram.
But in
of-
electrical engineering, where you got all these other ideas? He's electrical man.
So, okay, when the school they studied, no. Okay, so due to the capillary effect, you know, it will go inside. You know, every day, you know, small micro or milligram something goes. What will happen? It will go to the bloodstream. Then what will happen to the teeth and to the health? This is one of the reason. You know, I totally last 15 years. I stopped using this paste, and my teeth is getting better and better.
Oh.
15 around
Dabur
7
you are using.
Dabur or any other herbal powder. And also I tell you, 15 years back, the one Chennai, I went for the teeth problem. There, they said, you remove all your teeth, you have to plant new.
Oh, really?
Then after that, I had a small problem.
Really?
Then, I start using what are the remedy?
15 years back.
Yeah, 15, 16 years back. Then what I did, I cleaned my teeth in 4 parts.
Uh-huh.
Then, I was the cleaning, the maintaining, somewhat I'm maintaining. Then when I went to India, one of the doctors said, every day you have to use the floss, that
Okay.
that one.
Cleaning in
Yeah.
between.
Whenever I have something stuck in this thing, I use it. Now 15 years, thank God, nothing happened. It was very well
See,
maintained.
15 years back, the
Ah.
doctor advised him to
remove all the teeth.
all the teeth and replant.
And now, believe it or not, earlier, on the bottom of the teeth, there was some cavity or something, it's broken. Now it's all getting filling up.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm diabetic for more than 20 years, but still.
Oh, you are diabetic and still you are this
Maintain-
energetic.
yeah.
Okay. Very
More than
good,
20
very
years.
good.
I'm
And
taking
are you
various-
taking
Yeah, very
tablets?
tablet only. But,
Very minimal.
Very minimal. Tablet. That also, actually,
See, that is also another example. People are, once diabetic, they are thinking that they are gone.
Exactly. No,
Life
see,
is over.
I think around 7 years back, I went to 8-9 years back I went for treatment naturopathy.
Okay.
Then 3-4 years I did not take medicine at all.
Uh-huh.
Now last 2 years back, again my friends were not threatening, they are scaring me. If you are
Yeah.
not taking medicine, you will have it's a silent killer. You will have heart problem, that problem,
But,
this problem. But
always-
now
Always you are monitoring the
sometime once in a
sugar
while,
level,
monthly
right?
once. Something.
And another thing, how long you are in Kuwait now?
23 years.
Senior, super senior.
Huh?
He is someone people have to follow the lifestyle.
Hmm.
Okay, if I talk about myself,
Hmm.
I am a advocate of simple living.
Simple.
Simple living.
Hmm.
Whether it is my food or my dressing pattern or my other anything, I enjoy simple living.
Mm.
That is one thing.
Mm.
And if you ask me about my lifestyle before coming to Kuwait, I came here in '83.
Oh.
That means almost 30 years, more than 30 years.
Ah.
Okay. And always I enjoy doing something physically, giving me a sort of feel that, oh, you have done something. You are thinking so many things and you are talking so many things, that is different. But physically what we are doing, that gives us a satisfaction, that gives us a confidence, and this I enjoy. That is one thing. About the food pattern, simple, simple food as much as possible. That doesn't mean that I don't enjoy meat or things like that, but occasionally. Activities, I have to sweat and get tired at least 3-4 days in a week
Oh.
to the maximum level my effort, at least 3-4 days in a week.
Accept yourself.
Yeah, and about rest and other things, once I am there to sleep, in 5 minutes time I go off,
Right.
completely main switch off. Very rare in between, only to go to urination I get up in between. And about the social media and all, I don't sit and watch these long movies and things like that, very rare. Even though I am watching, I may be doing exercise, cycling in front of the TV, or I may be doing some sport jogging or something like that. I keep myself busy, because spending that much of time just watching the screen is damaging.
Killing the time. Killing
Killing yourself.
Yesterday he was telling me, he wanted to get rid of this TV. Then I told him, past 1 year I am not watching TV. I told him.
Now it happened, by default in my home, because now there is no channels available through the satellite. It's only through cable. So I'm not going to connect the cable. So we are away from screen.
And also the food habit also I want to tell you. At least every day we have taken normally the 3-time food. No, one time at least it has been natural food.
Natural, yes.
Only either salad or fruits.
Or cereals.
No, that is entirely dead food.
That is it.
I won't agree. I won't
Really?
recommend that. The dead, they process, they pack it.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
don't touch all this nonsense. Better that
Okay.
instead of that, go for fruits or some salad. And I take 99% of the time veg only. At home, 99% very hardly we take. I take.
And you have no energy problem.
Wow.
Doing yoga,
No.
running,
I walk
jogging,
8-10 kilometers sometimes. No, thank God,
people
no.
got so many misunderstandings that if I don't eat fish, if I don't eat
Also,
meat,
the fasting is preferred weekly once at least. Okay,
one meal, skip one meal or day fasting, full day.
full day, morning to evening.
Okay. Like Muslims are doing in Ramadan time.
It's a very nice. They are doing what daily fasting. They are doing weekly fasting, monthly fasting, yearly, annual. That annual fast is Ramadan time. It is very good for their health and mind. That they are it's a gift for them.
Oh, okay. Now let us conclude by saying why we belong to a group
Okay.
45, 55, 65. Forget about us. Why we in this age limit are not able to follow these good habits? What do you think? Why we can't follow? There are so many good habits we discuss now. Why we are not able to follow these good habits?
Because we are taking it for granted, We are thinking that
The life
itself.
itself.
Life itself. Everything.
You are here for 1,000 years.
1,000 like that, and we don't realize. But we react when the situation arrives, when the emergency situation arrives. Then we get agitated. Then we try to resolve the problem. That's the problem. Reactive, very reactive.
As per me, it is the teamwork. Like in the family, if the husband wife, cooperating, this will continue. Or some
All
friends.
have to have a sort of same way of thinking.
Same thing. Otherwise, it is very difficult.
There should conflict undavarathu between wife need non-veg
food,
every day,
yeah, and
husband need only
And also
vegetarian.
now the another one big problem in India, in our culture, the female think that husband has to eat more, but it is all actually
Even to children,
even
they are
to-
feeding
yeah,
more.
Actually, I tell you, as per the naturopathy, the food is in 3 form. 1/3 has to be solid food. 1/3 has to be another 1/3 has to be liquid, and another 1/3 has to be empty. That means you have to take a half. No, 3/4 of the stomach. Remaining you have to leave it.
What's the size of the stomach? Only our handful. Handful.
But
So
we
that
are-
is
we are
just be our quantity.
And, but we are
This should be
making the
our-
plate bigger and bigger.
Yeah, this
Big
should be our
thali,
quantity.
medium thali, small thali.
And also water also, before meal 45 minutes we should not touch, and after meal also 30-40 minutes. So that will not make acidity problem. Whoever having this acidity,
We tend to have water immediately after food. Take
if you have the acidity, it's a very dangerous.
According to me, the problem is that we all think that good life or enjoying the life means having lot of this junk food and making us pleasure making things, either through food or entertainment or whatever it is. Pleasure, more pleasure. For this pleasure, we are eating, we are watching, we are spending time for what is it called? These dangerous
Unwanted
items, unwanted, and that is killing us.
That
And
attracts-
it is our, it
attracting
is,
things,
yeah, it is tendency. It became a tendency and became a lifestyle, and now it became international standard. That if you are living, live with all these things. Otherwise, it's not a life.
That's a problem. That's a problem.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And I didn't ask expert's name.
Selvin.
Selvin. Thank you, Selvin. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We will interview you very often
Thank you.
because we got so many insights today.
No,
Thank you.
actually, when I been to his house yesterday, and I could sense that, all the books and reading and where he's doing and what he's doing.
So
all
it is
the indication.
something
Like-mindedness.
No, it is something a miracle that we got.
We got it.
in this.
And I don't know how he landed here,
Thank
I
you.
told